Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be potting on Alyssum. I think these were sown on the 2nd of December. As you can see, it's starting to grow really well now. So weed that one. But yeah, the rest of them are really looking well. So I shall get these, put them on these cells. So yeah. They've been sown in a mix of perlite and peat-based compost. Let's do a history about this, folks. Yeah, really done them well. There's 6 weeks worth of feed in the peat-based compost, so they've been alright while they've been in there. I think I might have accidentally given them a feed as well by looking at the compost. I might have got my watering schedule mixed up and put a little bit of feed on top because it's really green. So yeah, first of all, you want to get your trays here yourselves, dampen your compost off if it's too dry, a little bit of water, get the right consistency, and mix it together like baking a cake. That's better. Both hands, just gently into every corner. Clean this. Good job. This is my potting up desk shelf. Yeah, I've got a lot going on in the greenhouse at the moment. It's absolutely compact. I just wish it's never enough room. You get one greenhouse, and then you want another. Tap them down each one. You don't want it just falling to pieces, like so. That's it, and just wipe the top off. All we need to do now is start potting on. So first of all, just want to start pricking them out. So over there a little bit. There we go. In the right angle, yet. You want to get underneath them, like so. Make sure you get plenty of roots with them. Just try and get a little bit closer on that. That's perfect, that. And then just with your finger or a dibber, whichever is more convenient, gently in like so. Just carry on going round until you've done them all. These will be put in a tray of water just to make sure everything's watered through once they're done. So we'll try to get out of this, shall we? Yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting on the allotment. I was going to have a walk over today, but unfortunately it's frozen solid, so that's a no-no. Yeah, hopefully I'll get plenty of nice hanging baskets this year, plenty of pots. Once I get some compost delivered, I need to order some begonia tubers. I've got a couple of expensive ones coming from Fine Bricks nurseries that are really good quality. I think they're £10 each or £15 each, but they're really good quality, so I'm really looking forward to growing them as well. But these will be my baskets and pots. These I'm hanging it on the side. It's a variety, Alyssum golf ball mix, I think it's called. It's a purple variety, which I'm really looking forward to. If you've got the space, there's nothing better than growing your own plants. I mean, I suffer with a bit of depression, anxiety, and this just takes your mind right off it. Spend a few hours in here, and all your troubles are gone. Absolutely brilliant. There's 2 there, that'll be okay. Yeah, a few hours in here, can't recommend it enough. Better than any medication. Pottering about, it gives you something to get up for in the morning as well. Get up, water your plants, check on everything, make sure everything's okay. Even if it's not the end of the world. I'm surprised how many I've actually got here. I didn't think I'd got this many. I thought I'd got about 10, so bonus. Nearly there. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to going all the fruit and veg on the allotment this year. Everything that I grow, vegetable wise, I'll be giving away because there's only me, so I don't really need it all. So yeah, freebies for anybody want to come and collect it when it's all ready. It's just a pleasure in growing things. You get so much satisfaction out of it. There we go. Just a couple more and then we're done. So yeah, this is Alyssum golf ball mix. It's a purple variety. If you need any questions, any hints and tips, please just message me and I'll get back as soon as I can and answer straight away if I can, or possible. Yeah. That's it, everybody. That's them all potted on now. There's now I've got 21 in there. A couple in that one. Yeah, like I said, these are Alyssum. These are golf ball purple variety. They're a ground cover plant, but they go on the hanging baskets and containers generally. So yeah, I've go through what I've sown them in. I've sown them in a peat-based compost that's got 6 weeks worth of feeding. I've watered them in water compost before I've sown these. I will then put them in a tray to soak for an hour, take them out and then put them on top of the shelf in the greenhouse here. So well lit, it's so heated greenhouse, so they should come on really leaps and bounds. So if you've got any questions how to grow these, don't hesitate to ask everybody. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe and thank you for watching. Bye.